my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. My little boy is turning 3 on Saturday and my mother-in-law asked me to make a piñata for him. So, you're going to need a small cardboard box or medium depending on the size of your party. Some glue. If you don't have Mod Podge, you can use Elmer's glue, clear or white. You're going to need some tissue paper of whatever colors you want. You're going to need some scissors. And you'll need some packing tape. And because I don't have string, I'm using a coat hanger. But you could use string or a coat hanger or rope, whatever you have. The tutorial that I saw used like ribbon, so you could use ribbon. I don't have ribbon, I have a wire hanger, so I'm gonna make it work. So I'm bending it into the formation that I want, and I'm going to, okay, so there I untwisted it. You can see I poked 2 holes in the bottom here. I'm going to put my wire hanger through the holes. I need to poke some holes on the other side. Wire hangers, wire come through the other side. Okay, so you can see I have twisted it back around just how it was originally. And I twisted this like this so that I can hang it from a rope. So here's the bottom. It has the wire there. So I'm going to reinforce this with some tape. But you can see on the inside. Yeah. So I'm going to reinforce the outsides with tape. So now I went ahead and I filled mine up with treats. And I'm going to tape it shut. I reinforced the bottom and the back, and I'm going to tape it shut. So here you have it. This is my piñata so far. It's reinforced with tape. You can see the tape in the bottom and where I'll hang it from the top. And next, I'm going to take my tissue paper and I'm going to fold strips and cut them, fray them, and I'm going to glue them on to the box. To save on time, so I don't have to do it individually, cut it individually, I'm going to fold it, okay, fold it, and I'm going to cut along the fold. Just to save on time, and it'll all end up the same size that way. Right? I'm gonna have the other side too. Praise ye the Lord, hallelujah. Praise the Lord, hallelujah. Praise ye the Lord. Praise. What's that? Yippee, yahoo, way to go, God. Praise. What's that? Yippee, yahoo, way to go, God. Now I'm going to fray it. Again, I'm going to fold it some more to fray it less. So now I have red, blue, and yellow. And I've been brainstorming while I'm doing this. You know what I just realized? I was thinking Paw Patrol colors, but these are also the colors of my husband's flag from Ecuador. So that's cool. Anyway, I wanted a picture of a cartoon, and I realized I could use a Dollar Tree coloring book. So I'm going to use the fronts and backs of these as some pictures to put on here along with all of this. So I'm going to be gluing it on with Mod Podge, but if you don't have that, Elmer's glue will work just fine as well. And I'm going to be painting on the glue just so it'll be a nice even coat. And I'm going to cut out these pictures to have on it as well. And here's what I've got so far. I've got 2 sides done. Okay, I cut out these images from the back cover of a Dollar Tree coloring book, and I glued it on. I painted the glue onto the back of the image first, and then pressed it down until it stayed. So. Okay, using the front cover of the same coloring book, I cut out and glued. Again, I painted onto the back of the image and pressed it down until it stayed. And so I have 2 sides decorated, and I have 2 sides and a top and bottom left. Okay, so I figured construction paper would be just easier. So I cut around the edges to make the right size. I'm gonna glue it down. Okay, I glued it down, and then I also taped this edge on these 2 sides that don't yet have the paper on it. I might have to tape the other sides too.